In class, we had to do a project where we had to spend 20% of our time doing something that we were passionate about. In the beginning of this project, I wanted to make a photography blog that showed how to take better photographs. Later on, I realized that was not something I was passionate about and wanted to continue for a long time. So later on, I decided to make an online cookbook for teens to teach them how to make fun and easy snacks. I did this because I know sometimes teens have trouble finding out what they should have to eat. My goal at the end of this project was to have a completed site that teens can use for everyday purpose. The next step of this project was to find a mentor. After a lot of looking, I finally found a mentor named Michelle, and she owns the site Brown Eyed Baker. I chose her rather than any other mentor because after looking through her site, I noticed it was more neat and polished than most of the other sites I looked at. I had not met my mentor in person, but I did contact her over email, and some tips that she told me was to make sure that my website was organized so people were able to get from page to page without a problem. Secondly, she told me to make sure that my site was appealing so people don't get bored with it. And lastly, she told me to make sure that it was not based off of only my favorite foods, but other people's favorite foods too. Some changes that I made during this project was doing an online cookbook rather than a manual cookbook. I did this because I realized that more people will be able to access an online one. So some roadblocks that I had during this project was finding a mentor. Although I found one, it was not till later in my project, so it was not as useful as it would have been if I found one in the beginning. Another roadblock that I had during this project was finding a topic, which took up time. Although I had these obstacles during this project, I still completed it, and I'm glad I did because I was able to help others while learning new things, such as recipes. I'm also planning to continue this project in the long run. And that's the website, and I posted the link on my blog. This project taught me to help others while learning new things.